In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install a Ring doorbell, whether you have a battery model or a wired model. Before you begin, identify whether your Ring doorbell is battery-powered or wired, because the installation process is slightly different. Gather your Ring doorbell, mounting bracket, screwdriver, screws, wall anchors, drill if needed, and your smartphone before starting. If you're installing a battery-powered Ring doorbell, fully charge the battery before mounting the device. If you're replacing a wired doorbell, switch off power at your home's breaker panel before touching any wires. Next, decide whether you're replacing an existing doorbell or installing your Ring doorbell in a completely new location, because the preparation steps are slightly different. If you're replacing an old wired doorbell, remove the mounting screws carefully and gently pull the doorbell away from the wall without damaging the low-voltage wires. For the best viewing angle and motion detection, mount the Ring doorbell about 4 feet or 1.2 meters above the ground. Hold the mounting bracket against the wall in your chosen location before marking the screw holes. Use the built-in bubble level on the mounting bracket to make sure the installation will be perfectly straight. Once the bracket is level, mark each mounting hole with a pencil so you know exactly where to drill. If you're mounting on brick, concrete, or stucco, you'll need to drill pilot holes first. Wooden surfaces usually don't require wall anchors. Push the supplied wall anchors fully into the drilled holes until they sit flush with the wall surface. Place the Ring mounting bracket over the drilled holes and align every opening before installing the screws. Install the screws and tighten them evenly until the mounting bracket feels secure without over-tightening. If you have a wired Ring doorbell, connect one low-voltage wire to each terminal screw. Either wire can connect to either terminal. If you're installing a battery-powered Ring doorbell, insert the fully charged battery until it clicks securely into place. Align the tabs on the Ring doorbell with the mounting bracket and slide the device downward until it locks into place. Use the included Ring security screwdriver to install the security screw at the bottom of the doorbell. Your Ring doorbell is now securely installed, and the next step is connecting it to the Ring app and your Wi-Fi network. With the Ring doorbell securely mounted, the next step is activating it in the Ring app and connecting it to your Wi-Fi network. If you haven't already, install the Ring app on your Android phone or iPhone, then sign in or create a Ring account. From the Ring app home screen, tap the menu, choose Set up a device, then select Doorbells. Locate the QR code on your Ring doorbell or inside the original packaging before continuing. Point your phone's camera at the QR code until the Ring app confirms that the device has been identified. If the QR code won't scan, tap Setup without scanning and enter the 5-digit setup code printed below the QR code. Allow Bluetooth, location, nearby devices, and camera permissions when prompted, so the Ring app can communicate with your doorbell. If the Ring app doesn't detect your doorbell, press the Setup button until the front light begins spinning white, indicating setup mode. When your Ring doorbell appears in the app, choose your home Wi-Fi network from the available list. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully, then tap Continue to begin connecting the Ring doorbell. Wait while your Ring doorbell joins your Wi-Fi network. Keep your phone close to the device during this process. Once connected, your Ring doorbell will appear in the Ring app and is ready for firmware updates, live view, and motion detection. Once the setup is complete, confirm that your Ring doorbell shows as online in the Ring app before testing its features. Tap Live View to make sure your Ring doorbell streams video correctly and responds within a few seconds. Press the Ring doorbell button once to confirm the LED lights, the app receives a notification, and your indoor chime responds if one is connected. Your Ring doorbell is now installed and ready to monitor your front door with motion alerts, live view, and two-way talk. Subscribe for more simple, step-by-step smart home tutorials and troubleshooting guides.